Hi guys, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to go over and show you the magic link and how it works. Okay, so the magic link is underneath the magic page shortcodes, and the shortcode is obviously magic link. Now the first thing you've got to do is select a location. Now when you start typing in here, this will actually pick up all of the locations that you have installed within the database. Not necessarily just the ones that are actually installed on your site. Okay. But for it to actually work, obviously, the page that you want to link to needs to be built. So if you're creating a magic link and you've got this set on like auto install locations and that location hasn't been built yet, then obviously the magic link's not going to work until that page is built. Okay. So basically, just type in your locations as you would with anything else. Just a couple of words in, and it will come up with whichever one you want. Now you pick that one, and it's going to link to PLE. Link label is exactly as what I showed on the city shortcode. You can use spin text in there. You can use the group, percent group. You can use the percent county. You can use all of the different things there, like sort of post title and things like that, all the different percent things you can use in there. And like I say, you can use syntax. Link opens in a new window. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you click on that, then when anybody clicks on this magic link, it will then open in a new window. Remove the link if it's the same page. So this one basically means if you are trying to link to a magic page, an exported page or an exported post, and it's actually on that page, then you won't see the link. Whereas if you're on a different page, it will. Post type. Now, this will determine where it's going to be shown again. So obviously same type means it will be on the same type. So if it's on a page, so you will link it to a page, then basically it will show up on a page only. It will only link to another page. If it's a post, it'll link to a post. If it's a magic page, it'll link to a magic page. Okay, and then we have got posting pages and magic pages. Okay, so you can click on them ones. Let's do that. And select your groups. This is only for the posts and pages because obviously magic pages don't have groups. And just with everything else, you can select a group like that way, and it will only show up on a post or page which is in that group, nothing else. Yeah, so you can have residential locksmith as I've shown in like the other videos. Okay, so all you would do is build it up as you would with anything else. Just copy it and then put it into your page. So here we've got a one here. I'll just expand this a bit for you guys. And just zoom in. So we've got here, we've got this should link to Pete Lee magic page. So you've got magic link, location equals Pete Lee, post type equals magic page, and label equals percent location. And this is what you get out. This should link to Pete Lee magic page, Pete Lee. And as you can see, it links. Then you've got this one should link to a Pete Lee post or page, magic link, location Pete Lee, post type, post page, label equals location. Now you can take these out. So you could just have it only going to a page or only going to a post or linking to either. So whichever one would be built up, you can actually do it that way. So what does it look like? I'll just refresh this. So there you've got your magic page there. So that one there is going to, if you look down the bottom corner, if you can, in fact, I'll open it. So you've got it there, went to the Peter Lee magic page. And then this one here goes to access control post Peter Lee. Okay, so it's got a different thing on. Now let's say if we do this as where's your thing gone? So say if we want to remove the link from the same page, if I copy that and just drop it in here. So you've got to remove if same page equals true. So I'm going to have to edit. Oh, well, this is the magic. I'll edit this one. So if we edit this one, with Elementor. If we just put that in here. So, okay. I'll put it in there actually. We put that in there. Update that. Now when we come down, there's no actual link. The link's not there. But if I go to, what was it, access control? We've now got the link there. Okay, so that's what the remove on the same page does. On the access on the Pete Lee page, we have no link. We're on the actual, I'll do another one. On the Shotton one, we have got the link there. So that's really it. That's all the magic link is. It's a very simple thing to use, but it is very powerful because now you can specify where you want your links to go. Okay, hope that was useful. Catch you on the next video. Bye.